Best small car for 2025 to 2025 Honda Civic. The 2025 Honda Civic has been unveiled to critical acclaim, solidifying its status as the best small car for 2025. Building on its legacy of reliability, efficiency, and innovation, the latest Civic iteration introduces advanced features and refined design, making it a standout choice in the compact car segment. Honda's commitment to excellence shines through in every aspect of the 2025 Civic, promising an exceptional driving experience for a wide range of drivers. Refined in modern design. The 2025 Honda Civic boasts a sleek and modern design that captures attention on the road. Its exterior features sharp lines, a bold front grille, and sleek LED headlights that give it a dynamic and sophisticated look. The elongated roofline and sculpted body panels enhance aerodynamics, contributing to improved fuel efficiency and performance. Available in various vibrant colors and wheel options, the Civic allows drivers to personalize their vehicle to match their style. The interior is equally impressive, with high-quality materials, a minimalist dashboard design, and ergonomic seating that ensure comfort and a premium feel. Impressive performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 158 horsepower, delivering a smooth and responsive performance. For those seeking more power, the Civic also offers a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that generates 180 horsepower, providing exhilarating acceleration and robust performance. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that optimizes fuel efficiency without sacrificing driving dynamics. The Civic's agile handling and precise steering make it a joy to drive, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Cutting-edge technology and connectivity. The 2025 Honda Civic is equipped with a suite of advanced technology features that enhance convenience, connectivity, and safety. The centerpiece of the cabin is a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, ensuring seamless connectivity for smartphones. The Civic also offers a premium Bose audio system, wireless charging, and a customizable digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information at a glance. Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, comes standard on all trims, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, ensuring a safe and confident driving experience. Comfort and practicality. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Civic offers a spacious and comfortable interior that can accommodate up to 5 passengers. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort, with available leather upholstery and heating options. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the cargo area, providing ample storage space for luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. The Civic's cabin is also designed to minimize road noise, creating a quiet and serene environment for occupants. Market impact and availability. The 2025 Honda Civic has already generated significant excitement among automotive enthusiasts and industry experts. Its combination of stylish design, impressive performance, and advanced technology positions it as a leader in the compact car segment. With a competitive starting price and a range of available trims and features, the Civic offers excellent value for money. The 2025 Civic is set to arrive at Honda dealerships worldwide, ready to meet the diverse needs of drivers looking for a reliable, efficient, and enjoyable compact car. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Civic continues to set the standard for excellence in the compact car segment. With its refined design, impressive performance, cutting-edge technology, and superior comfort, the Civic is the best small car for 2025. Honda's unwavering commitment to quality and innovation ensures that the Civic remains a top choice for drivers seeking a versatile and reliable vehicle. Whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures, the 2025 Civic delivers an unmatched combination of practicality, efficiency, and driving pleasure.